Here's a Plymouth Prowler that we just got in it, unique, especially in classics. 2000 model year. Black exterior with the carbon or graphite leather interior. This particular car is a one owner. It's been in our area its entire life, which, if you're familiar with Minnesota at all, you know we get quite a bit of snow. These things are usually low mile cars when they're up here because you can only drive them about 4 or 5 months out of the year, and that is what this example is. Very low mile one. A little over 13,000 miles on this, and again, one owner, no accidents, clean Carfax, just the way you want one if you're going to pick it up. Now, if you want to check out the still picture so you can see the interior underneath the hood, check out that engine bay, trunk area, undersides of it, check out the still pictures on this. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on it. That's going to take you right to us. We can be called at 507-386-1726 also. As you can see, riding on the stock chrome wheels. Underneath the hood, 3.5 liter high output V6 engine. In 2000, these actually had 253 horsepower. So quite a bit of horsepower for a smaller roadster slash convertible. The horsepower to weight ratio, pretty good on these. As you can see, automatic transmission with auto stick. So you can still kind of shift it like a manual just using the auto stick. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty, so feel free to ask your sales associate about that when you call or email us. Now, this particular car is stock. No engine modifications, any sort of suspension, anything like that. And again, very nice shape. With black, yeah, you may find a couple real light scratches or maybe a little nick here or there, but nothing major on this one. Very clean car. I did notice on the one bumper, by the way, back here, there was a little, you kind of see that, just a little flaw in the bumper. Caught something in the garage or what have you, but again, nothing major on this one. Nice one owner, clean Carfax again. Check out the interior. See door panels, your power windows, power mirrors, locks, tilt cruise, of course, AC does blow cold. Look at these floor mats, look like they're still brand new. I'm going to go ahead and start it up so we don't have to listen to the dinging there a second. Of course, these had the tachometer on the steering column, little auto meter that was stock. Take a look at the gauges. There's no warning indicators on, just the seat belt and the fact I have the door open. Let's go ahead and close that up and we'll check out the miles here. There you go, 13,904. So all the gauges do work. Cassette player, and then this does have a CD changer behind the passenger seat. That AC blows cold. Of course, a manual folding top. Top is black on this one. Top is also in very good shape. Check that out in the still pictures. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop that hood. I want to show you the engine bay. Alright, got the hood popped. You can see how clean it is underneath here. There's that 3.5 liter. 253 horse, high output V6, single overhead cam engine. Interesting thing about these, they actually have the battery mounted up here in the nose. One of the ways they were keeping this pretty much 50 to 50 front to rear weight ratio. Pony shocks, they would have been stock. Hear the compressor turn on and off. Everything works as it should on this one. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see the still pictures. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, our phone number 507-386-1726. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Give us a call on this one. One owner, 2000 Plymouth Prowler, a little over 13,000 miles on it. Great shape. Look forward to hearing from you.